Alright, here we go. See what we get. Blank paper, little foam action. I got a toolkit. That's it. Toolkit, screen protector. Pros use gloves. That's a squeegee. 1, cleaning wipe. 2, remove the seal from the back. 3, install it top first. 4, slide your finger. 5, peel off the finger slider. 6, remove the casing. 7, remove the protective film. 8, squeegee out the bubbles. Got the alcohol wipe right here. Alright, danger zone, danger zone. Here we go. Well, I turned a lot of stuff on I didn't want to turn on there. Okay, so this thing that says back, adhesive side remove, that's the first thing you peel. And boy, I struggled figuring that out. Okay. It's not, they always say everything's easy, but nothing's easy the first time. Top side first. And then push it onto the bottom. Press and slide. I'm pressing and sliding, man. And wait 30 seconds. Apparently there's a screen cleaning mode that I could have used. I didn't know that. Remove from here. Oh man. Okay. Oh, from there, I guess you take that off, and then you're gonna remove the plastic. I removed the plastic. And it says to take this tab and peel this off. Let's find out where. Screen clean mode. Cool. Let's see some bubbles. There's 1, 2. Those are gone. I can't see any other ones, but that doesn't mean there aren't any. Oh man, if it was that easy. Oh man. You gotta be kidding me. That was it. There it is. If you want a screen protector, you have to get this one because I have no idea what I'm doing and I just perfectly installed it.